Leatherback sea turtles are the world's largest species of turtle. Finding a leatherback nesting on the beaches of Florida is fairly rare, as their primary nesting sites are located in the southern Caribbean and along the coast of South America. However, we will often find somewhere between 50 and 100 leatherback nests along the coast of Florida in a season. Most leatherback nesting does occur in South Florida, usually around the Martin County and Palm Beach County areas. Leatherbacks will begin nesting early in the month of March and usually end their nesting season in June. This year, 2020, we already had our earliest nesting ever recorded on February 6th for a leatherback sea turtle in Martin County. As you can see from the pictures, leatherbacks make a very large mess when they come into the beach to nest. With their flippers being in many cases 3 to 4 feet long, they make a very large crawl, which is normally well over 6 feet wide. They will make a large nesting site where they will throw sand for a large distance, and it is very difficult to tell where they actually deposited the eggs until the eggs will hatch and the babies will emerge. Leatherbacks will often take longer to hatch since their eggs are much larger. The species will technically usually take 60 to 75 days for incubation, and leatherbacks lay far less eggs than most other species, usually only depositing somewhere around 50 eggs in a nest. What is very interesting, however, is they also deposit very teeny eggs that we refer to as spacers. We believe that this allows for more airflow through the nest and maybe to allow for that longer incubation time period. When the babies hatch, they look exactly like the adult, and the flippers are almost as long as the body itself. Leatherback sea turtles are very rare and are very interesting to see if you get the opportunity to see them.